So I'm going to add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, about that much. And I'm going to add to that, make sure that the stopper is ready in your hand, because you got to stopper it the second that you put the yeast in. And put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast and stopper it immediately. Now what's going to go on here is that the yeast is acting as a catalyst for the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide. The equation for that being hydrogen peroxide, so it's 2H2O2, with yeast acting as a catalyst, creates O2 plus 2H2O. Agitate it really to make sure that all the oxygen possible is released. Now I'm going to take a splint here, and I'm going to light it, and then let the oxygen really create in there. I'm going to turn it off and quickly put it back in there, and as you see, it's reignited by the oxygen that's created in there. There you go. And then let's see if it'll do it again. Get another splint. Gonna mix it up. Turn the split off really quickly. Put it back in there, and like you saw, for a split second, when it got the burst of oxygen, turns on again. And let's let it sit for another second and see if we can't do a third candle. Really agitate it to create as much as possible. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Turn it off, put it back in there. Once again, you see it reignites because oxygen supports combustion. And so the candle is going to reignite in there. It's going to use up all the oxygen that was created. It's going to make the metal lid get really hot. And there you go. Now, let's see. See, the lid's pretty stuck on there. All the oxygen here was created, so there's basically a vacuum because the gas in here, or a large portion of the gas, is gone. So, like you heard.